Hey guys, Dwayne Binary Trader here today. We have another weekend analysis, and let's just say, as you can see on the Euro USD, my weekend analysis was completely and utterly wrong. Um, let's go to the day chart. As you can see, actually, we can even go to the hourly chart. That the last few days, see, it was sitting here when I made the predictions, I believe. It was sitting around this area. Yeah, the 9-2 area, I believe. I'll go back to the last video. Predicted that, okay, it was hitting the resistance level and might, come back down. And, I was like on a day chart to hourly chart, I definitely would trade that down for the time being until it hits about this level and then trade up. As you can see, for this last week, it has killed. I mean, I was completely and utterly wrong. I guess I should have took a better choice of analysis here to read. Definitely, like I said, it's a huge killer on me there. But yeah, those every once in a while, and it's okay. But we're gonna move on. Like we're gonna, let's look at some more currency, see if we notice anything. Right now, it's the weekend, so of course the price movement is not gonna move. Now we have GB USD, GBP USD, and let's see if I can. What I'm trying to do. There we go. Okay, as you can see, GB USD on a 5-minute counter this weekend, Friday, on the whole day basically draw down all the way down here to 12897, and now it's back on this upper climb. It's starting to hit this resistance level hard. It's hitting the level hard. But as you can see, it's on the upward climb. And right now it's in a state of movement, but I still think it's gonna go up to at least this level right here at 1.30480. Definitely will write that down in your notes. And then I'll trade the reversal trade. That's what I think, and that's in the next faster 5 minutes. So we probably should see that coming up on Monday. Definitely, so I'll definitely check that out. Go ahead and write that down. GBUSD. Okay, we're gonna look at the odd AUDUSD. You had a huge, as you can see, it's kind of coming up on the uptrend. Right here, it's kind of going in a zigzag. Now, if you look at the overall picture on this 5-minute chart, you can see it's going in upward downward movement right now. It hasn't really made its but you can see it's slowly climbing up, and it's hitting resistance now, right about this level, right about here. And if you look at the level that it closed on, it's hitting a support level. So I definitely would trade this up. I don't see why. I still think this is going to continue up. So definitely trade AUD USD up. The reason why is that you can see the trend movement going. You can see a trend movement going up. And actually, for more confidence, we're going to go ahead and throw on RSI level. Okay. Yeah, so it definitely has, as you can see, definitely right here, definitely has movement to go back up, and I do believe it's going to go up. So definitely will look out for a buy trade on the AUD USD. Like I said, I don't see no reason why it will go down. But let's just be on the safe side real quick, guys, and go ahead and load the internet up, and go ahead and load investing.com. And look at the economic calendar and see what's going on in there. Moving a little slow, probably because I'm recording. Okay, so I'm going to set this up for Monday's trading. Coming in a week strong Monday. Hopefully have better analysis then. Nah, take that off. So just Monday. There we go. Okay, and apply. Now, okay, okay, so all day. What is Monday? Holiday for the Canadian. Okay, but nothing there. So 1:30 in the morning, we're having some news. What's going on with the GBP? Actually, what that say? GBP USD index. Ooh, the 1:30 in the morning. Well, that can happen. It's expecting it to make a huge jump. It's expecting it to make a huge jump. The actual is 40. Before it's 29%. So let's see what it says. Let's see the investigative series and you need to develop in each house. Each index measures occurs. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Okay. So it says importance is about mildly, so we definitely should check that out. You know, make money any time of the day. He's always got to stay up to date on the news. Okay. 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 So that might actually bring it up. Like I said, the actual before is previous. So we're gonna see May 15th release date. It was released on May 15th. That's probably why the whole huge movement on the GBP USD, which once that loads up, can load up. Come on now. Probably loads slow. Let's say, oof. Like I said, in the 5-minute chart, let's say we can see a tendency pullback, but I mean, at the same time, we still have room on the RSI. Just go ahead and change the time interviews to an hour. Get a better picture of what we're looking at. Okay. Oof. Okay. So what you could expect. Okay, it's hitting the top of the RSI levels right now. So I definitely will wait till the news come out, guys. And on the hourly chart for a longer term investment for people who don't like scalping, and this doesn't have to do with day traders. Probably want to make a longer term investment. I mean, you could wait till the 129,864 level to trade a buy, or it's closed on the green, but that doesn't mean anything. And so, I mean, you could wait for the pullback. Let's bring out let's bring out a Fibonacci retracement. There we go. Fibonacci retracement level. So you go from here and bring it down to this level. So as you can see from the top of high to the lowest high, right? Let's move this out the way. Move this out the way. 50% is here. So it does have a possibility of dropping all the way down there. I don't see why it wouldn't. Unless the news just makes it shoot up. But I definitely would play this out. We'll look at the hourly chart. Put your hands on in the morning. Pay attention. Be up and ready for this trade. Opportunity. Definitely if you hear some opportunities of making money off of this trade. Wait till it hits the 50 or the set. It's gonna reverse somewhere around here. It's gonna reverse. As you can see on the hourly chart, it's kind of going in an upward trend versus the USD. So I definitely will wait to see the reversement trade come on. And when there's a guaranteed reversement trade, go ahead and put in your orders and buy it. And then we should see this thing skyrocket. I mean, I don't honestly see why not. So for right now, I definitely want to keep my eyes on GBP USD. I want to see what that does. Being a trader means being very patient. Might not even trade Monday. Hopefully, we'll trade Tuesday. We're gonna see. You're gonna see where it's the range. But I'd rather not trade. I'd rather not trade and save money than trade being impatient and lose money. Obviously, right? But that's definitely what my weekend analysis is going to be. Euro USD, I still kind of don't want to trade on that. People need to stay away because y'all know when the pullback is going to happen, and the more you wait, it just seems like it's going to rise. But like the time you finally decide to trade on it, it's going to pull back and it's going to kill you. So I definitely just be patient with USD and wait for the pullback, or trade the pullback. So definitely we'll wait on that. And then for GBP/USD, wait for the pullback around the 0.618 or halfway point of the Fibonacci retracement, and then buy that sucker. Buy it long all day long. That's what I feel like it should happen. And all right, Dwayne Binary Trader is out. Deuces.